Okay, I am going to clean this kitchen, and hopefully I'll do a better job videoing it than I did on the bathroom. Thank you so much for coming and visiting me today. I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I like to help people and motivate people to clean, and I do have a cleaning business. So this is one of my customers' houses, and this is what I typically do, trying to get people's houses into a cleaner state so that when they come home, they love their houses. So with no more ado, let us get on with the way that I'm going to do this. So I'm going to list out the steps just in case I have technical problems. The first thing I do is collect the trash. So you can see there's some paper towels around. I'm looking for anything that is obviously trash. Paper towels, empty boxes, wrappers, things like that. And I'll get the trash out of the way. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stove apart, which is partially taken apart already. I'm not sure what happened there. And open the microwave and spray some degreaser on that so that it has time to work. I find that a lot of people, when one of the problems they have with getting things clean is they don't allow their products to actually do the work. So those two things get sprayed first, and then I'm just going to work my way around, starting right here with this refrigerator and going around this way, and then I'm going to end up here at the sink, and the final thing I'll do will be to shine the countertop here. Products that I use, obviously I'm going to use the degreaser, dish detergent to clean the sink out, and my faithful window cleaner to clean the chrome appliances, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, outside the ovens. I don't do the inside of the oven unless they ask me to. That's extra. And outside the microwave to make everything nice and bright and shiny, and then I'll be done. Except for the floors. I'm not doing the floors in this video, sorry. So here we go. Wish me luck on my time lapse. Now the kitchen is clean. I leave these things like this out because this isn't my home, and that's where she always seems to have them when I come in. So I leave things like that. I try to tidy up and make things look a little nicer. I didn't do the other side of the breakfast bar because I wasn't sure how well you'd be able to see that, but I'm going to do that in just a second. But you got the idea how I go ahead and clean the kitchen. So I do want to thank you if you've watched this long. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Give me comments if you have something to say or a question to ask. I'd love to know what you think. And give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that too. And I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. So close. So please subscribe. Please. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.